Greetings everyone! In this guide, we will learn how to create a user-defined file in SAP Business One. These files are a powerful tool as they streamline invoicing by allowing predetermined quantities to be automatically loaded into price list, saving users valuable time. Step 1. Accessing to customization tool. Log into SAP Business One. Navigate to Tools in the main menu. Select Customization and then User-Defined Files Management. Step 2. Creating the user-defined file. Once inside the Customization tool, focus on Master Data. Expand this section and locate Business Partner, as we will configure the defined fields here for invoicing. Click Create to start creating a new user-defined field. Step 3. Configuring the defined field. The file data window will appear. Here is what you need to do. Enter a unique serial number to identify the field. By default, U_, followed by a number is used, such as U_171. For table 171, provide a meaningful description for the user-defined field. Ensure that the length is adequate. In this example, 10 characters. Change the structure to text to enable the configuration of valid values. Step 4. Configuring valid values. In the valid values section, select New to create a price list. For example, you can name it Price 01. Make sure to use uppercase. Repeat this process to create all the necessary price lists. In this example, up to 10. Step 5. Set the default value for the field. Once you have created your price list, return to the main user-defined file window. Check Set Default Value for File box and set the value to 1. Step 6. Confirm and finish. Click Create once again. If a message appears, select Ignore to proceed. Step 7. Viewing the user-defined fields. To view the create user-defined fields, go to Modules, then Business Partner, and select Business Partner Master Data. Click on View User-Defined Fields to access the list of defined fields that will appear to your price list. And that is it. You will now learn how to create user-defined fields to streamline invoicing in SAP Business One. Feel free to adjust file names and numbers to match your specific needs. Well folks, that's all for today. I hope this guide has been helpful to you. If you would like more tips and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe for useful content in the future. Until the next time, thank you very much. This revised script shall provide accurate and effective guide for your video. I hope you find it useful.